The Akash is a mid-range surface-to-air missile system developed by India's Defence Research and Development Organisation, or DRDO, as part of the Integrated Guided Missile Development Programme, which also produced the Nag, Agni, Trishul, and Prithvi missiles. Two variants have been created for the Indian Air Force and Indian Army. The Indian Army received its first batch in May 2015, while the IAF received its first missile in March 2012, with formal induction occurring in July 2015. The Akash SAM system is capable of engaging multiple air targets autonomously. It consists of a launcher, missile, control center, mission guidance system, multifunctional fire control radar, arming and explosion mechanisms, digital autopilot, C4I centers, and ground support equipment. The Group Control Center, or GCC, serves as the command headquarters for the surface-to-air missile system. Each Akash battery features 4 3D passive electronically scanned array radars and 4 self-propelled launches, each holding 3 missiles, all interconnected. It includes the Rajendra radar and a battery control center, allowing for simultaneous tracking and attacking of targets. An electronic countermeasure system protects vehicles, and the system has been tested for ballistic missile defense, providing air defense coverage over 2,000 square kilometers. The Akash missile is designed for launch from both static and mobile platforms, such as tanks and trucks, offering flexible deployment. It can engage multiple maneuvering targets, including UAVs, fighter jets, and cruise missiles, at ranges of 30 to 35 kilometers and altitudes up to 18,000 meters. With capabilities for multi-target area defense, it can carry conventional and nuclear warheads weighing up to 60 kilograms, ensuring effectiveness in all weather conditions. The Akash missile development commenced in 1983, with initial trial firings taking place in 1990 and continuing until March 1997. Its interception capability was showcased against 2 live aerial targets in November 2005, leading to a total of 16 trial firings by August 2006. The Indian Air Force conducted test firings at the Integrated Test Range in Chandipur, Orissa, in December 2007, launching its indigenous surface-to-air missile system in 2008 after 9 successful field trials. The IAF also successfully test-fired the missile in May 2012 and in ripple mode against a pilotless target in May 2014. The Indian Army tested the missile against a mini-unmanned aerial vehicle in June 2014, and development of the advanced Akash Mk2 version started in June 2010, with successful testing in May 2019. The Akash SAM system was created by Bharat Electronics, the main agency for its production for the Army. Various DRDO laboratories contributed to its development. DRDL handled system integration and missile design. LRDE in Bangalore made the Rajendra radar. CVRDE produced tracked vehicles. ARDE created the nuclear warhead. HEMRL supplied propellants, and Tata Power and Larsen & Toubro provided launcher systems.